What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's Friday. Woo! So I've been having kind of a crazy week. I should be out right now working. I deliver for Uber Eats and Grubhub, and twice this week my little Honda Civic took a dump on me. On Tuesday I was on like the second delivery and my starter gave out, so I had to get a new starter on Tuesday, which ran me about, it was like $100 for the starter and another $100 to pay my mechanic. And then today I went out early. It was like 9 a.m. and as soon as I accepted the first order on my way, I start hearing like a loud clunking noise, and I'm pretty sure it's like my ball joints, something with my suspension. It's good, like the control arms or something. So I had to, oh, is that a Ninja? Is he practicing? Parking lot practice. But yeah, I took one order and I had to call it quits today because of that issue. So while I'm waiting for my mechanic to finish his other job, I thought it'd be a good opportunity to go wash the bike. She's super dirty. So hopefully I have enough time to do that before he calls. But yeah, while I should be out making money, I'm losing money. But it's understandable because my Civic is just about to hit 200,000 miles. And a lot of those parts are original from the factory, so they've held up a good long time. That starter was original and it's lasted almost 200K. That's wild. It's a fun little car, 5-speed Civic Si EP3. I'll have to make a video sometime driving that car. I need to get like a decent car mount. Got a texter. But I'm not detailing cars anymore. I decided to stop doing that. That was like, I enjoyed it for a long time, but it just started wearing me out. Like, I would finish some jobs and my hands would be so cramped up. Nice vet. But yeah, my back would be killing me. My freaking hands would be locked up. I was just finally said to hell with it. So now I'm just doing the food delivery and I make some decent money. It's not as good as the detailing, but it's still good. Until I find my next side hustle journey, whatever that's gonna be. I also got a nice computer to edit in 4K, so where's that car wash? I think it's on Lomas. there's one right here. Otherwise, the other one I know of is off Montgomery. But yeah, that's one thing about being a delivery driver and using your own car is it's a lot of wear and tear. But I enjoy it. You know, I don't have a boss telling me what to do, and I can make my own hours doing that. I usually only do it like 5 hours a day and still make a good amount. Ah, here we are. Good old car wash. A nice little Miata. I hate parking on these grates. Get that right. Right there. Son of a bee. That's sketchy as fuck. Oh, she's so dirty. I literally haven't washed this bike since like last year. Come on, take my money. The hell? if you guys enjoyed this video, redo that. If you guys enjoyed this video, do me a favor and smash that like button. It'll help this channel grow a bit more. And if you're new, subscribe. Gonna leave a nice little chip in my windshield or windscreen, whatever it's called.